To survive in the upcoming Ice Age apocalypse, relying solely on the supplies I've accumulated won't be enough. This power to manipulate plants, it's my only hope. All these soybeans, I grew them myself, using my ability. But it's so random. Even after trying so many times, I still haven't figured out how to trigger it. Alright, time for a taste test. Gotta make sure these things are edible. As I thought, it's edible. At least this proves that this ability can produce food. Next step, figuring out how to actually use this thing. So far, I've only tried it on soybeans. I need to see if this ability works with other plants too. Damn it, I feel so dizzy right now. Oh my, did I just pass out? My head is killing me. I guess this power takes a serious toll on my mind and body. Still, at least I learned something about this ability. Before I blacked out, I tried using my power on a bunch of different plants. Some didn't react at all. Wait, what the? Yeah, some grew from seeds into full-blown plants, like the soybean. And some exploded. Wait, what the hell is this? After the explosions, they turn into substances that look like coal but feel very light. This is weird because they're not heavy at all. These black substances can be used to heat. No more worrying about staying warm now. Nope. Afterward, I tried many more times. Focus. Control your breathing. Whoa! The success rate of this is way too random. I can't find any patterns at all. There's got to be some kind of principle behind how this ability works. But at least I have some understanding of the activating conditions. The key lies in my consciousness. Imagine yourself out in nature. My body and mind are both part of the natural world. Open eyes? Okay, now what? Wait, what the? It is connected to my consciousness. Let's try meat this time. Alright, I'm ready. No reaction to meat. Don't tell me it only works on plants. Come on, work your magic! Still nothing? But when I meditate, I can sense two distinct colors. I haven't even tried using the red one yet. Alright, red light. Show me what you got. It's coming out. Disgusting. What the hell is this? The meat reacted to the red light, but it feels like it got cooked or something. Is that all the red light does? Heat things up? No, it's more than that. It's like a disintegration process. No way. If the green light represents the evolution of matters and the red light is the opposite, disintegration, what if I combine them? Whoa! The meat got bigger! Wait, but where'd the soybeans in my hand go? No way they merged with the meat, didn't they? This is incredible. It looks, feels, and smells exactly like real meat, but even fresher somehow. One more time. Come on, why? Why did they all fail? Forget it. I'll take my time to figure that out later. Anyways, today was still productive. If I can just master this power, I'll be the man who's standing at the pinnacle of this apocalyptic world. That is so sweet. Wait a second, Ford's not gonna cut it. I'm completely defenseless out here. I gotta hurry and find myself a weapon before the temperatures go down. Uh-oh, am I late? Looks like the snow is already starting to fall. So, it begins. All the preparations I made, everything I've worked for, it all comes down to this moment. And now, it's here. It's really happening! Temperatures will drop to 45 below within the week. I need a gun, fast. But buying guns is illegal, and I don't exactly have any connections. Shh. Hey, I'm in construction, millions riding on every project. I think I've seen this guy around.
You know Lao Wang from the Zhigang Lighter Group? He's practically my big brother.
Exaggerated fashion style. Around here, we call him...
Want to smoke? These cigarettes were also given to me by my big brother. Don't be shy, take one. Don't you want to give your big brother some, face?
Homeless Joe.